Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a Jeep owner and you've seen that dreaded check engine light pop on, you might have scanned it and found the code P0441. It's a common one, but what does it actually mean? Today, we're diving deep into the P0441 fault code, which stands for Evaporative Emission Control System. Incorrect purge flow. Sounds complicated, right? Don't worry, I'm going to break it all down for you, step by step. So, what is the EVAP system? Anyway, think of it as your Jeep's way of being environmentally friendly. It's designed to capture fuel vapors that would normally escape from your gas tank into the atmosphere. These vapors are stored in a charcoal canister and then, at the right time, they're purged or drawn into the engine to be burned along with the regular fuel. This process is controlled by a little valve called the Purge valve or Purge solenoid. The code P0441 gets triggered when your Jeep's computer, the ECU, detects a problem with this purging process. Specifically, it means the flow of fuel vapor isn't what it's supposed to be. The ECU commands the Purge valve to open, expecting to see a change in the fuel tank pressure or the air-fuel mixture. If it doesn't see the expected change, or if it sees vapor flow when it shouldn't, it says, "Hey, something's wrong here," and logs the P0441 code, lighting up your dashboard. Now, let's talk about what could be causing this. The most common culprit, and the easiest one to check, is a loose or faulty gas cap. It sounds simple, but a gas cap that isn't sealing properly can mess with the whole system's pressure, leading to this code. So, before you do anything else, make sure your gas cap is tight. Give it a few extra clicks. If it's old or the seal looks cracked, it might be time for a new one. They're inexpensive and can save you a lot of headaches. If the gas cap isn't the issue, the next suspect is usually the purge valve itself. This valve can get stuck open or stuck closed. If it's stuck open, it's constantly letting fuel vapors into the engine, which can cause a rough idle and poor fuel economy. If it's stuck closed, no vapors are being purged at all. You can sometimes test this part with a vacuum pump or a multimeter, but often the easiest fix is just to replace it. They are typically located in the engine bay and are relatively easy to access. Another potential cause is a leak in one of the EVAP hoses. These are the rubber or plastic lines that run from the gas tank to the charcoal canister and up to the engine. Over time, these hoses can become brittle, crack, or get disconnected, causing a vacuum leak within the EVAP system. You can visually inspect the hoses for any obvious signs of damage. Sometimes a professional mechanic will use a smoke machine to find these tiny, hard-to-see leaks. The smoke is pumped into the system, and wherever it escapes, that's your leak. Less common, but still possible, is a faulty charcoal canister. The canister can get saturated with fuel if you regularly overfill your gas. Clicking the pump a few more times after it stops. This can clog it up and prevent vapors from flowing correctly. In some cases, the canister itself can crack and leak. So, to recap the diagnostic process. First, check your gas cap. Make sure it's tight and in good condition. Second, inspect the purge valve. See if it's clicking when the engine is running or test it for proper operation. It's often the main suspect. Third, carefully look over all the EVAP hoses for any cracks, splits, or loose connections. And finally, consider the charcoal canister, especially if you have a habit of overfilling your tank. Fixing the P0441 code is important not just to get rid of that annoying check engine light, but also for your Jeep's performance and for the environment. Ignoring it can lead to failed emissions tests, reduced fuel efficiency, and potential engine performance issues down the line. I hope this guide helps you troubleshoot and fix the P0441 code on your Jeep. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY repair guides and Jeep tips. Got a question? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.